Welcome to Cloud Infrastructure Services YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you how you can set up a Node.js server on Ubuntu hosted on Azure. So simply click the link in the description box to come to this marketplace listing for Azure, and from here you want to create a new virtual machine with this particular image. Now this image comes with pre-installed Node.js and Node.js Server. So from this page, simply click on Get It Now and then click on Continue. After that, from this product page you want to click on Create, and then you will be brought to this page from where you can customize your virtual machine. So choose the subscription that you have, choose a resource group by either creating a new one or by choosing an already existing one, and then give your virtual machine a name. So I'm going to call mine as Node Server, and then choose the region where you want your virtual machine to be deployed. After that, simply scroll down and make sure that the image is the one that you got from the link in the description box. After that, scroll down even more and choose the size according to your requirements. Now for the authentication type, I am going to go with the SSH public key authentication. And finally, give yourself a username. And then when you're satisfied with the settings, simply click on Review plus Create. After that, you would have to wait for the validation process to complete. Once the validation process is done, simply click on Create to actually create that virtual machine. This time around, you would be prompted to download the private key and create resource. So download the private key in a secure folder, because this is the key that you would be using to connect to the SSH terminal of your virtual machine. And then you need to wait for the deployment process to complete. Once the deployment process is completed, the next step is to connect to the SSH terminal of your virtual machine. Now for that, simply click on Go to Resource and then click on Connect and choose SSH. After that, simply copy this command and paste it inside either a command prompt or a PowerShell, and then replace this path for the path where you have downloaded your private key. After replacing the path for the private key, simply hit enter, and when you are prompted, type in yes and hit enter once more. And then this command prompt will connect to the SSH terminal of your virtual machine. Now inside this SSH terminal, the very first thing that we are going to do is that we are going to verify the installation of Node.js. For that, simply type the command node -v to get the version of the installed Node.js. So currently we are running the version 10.19.0. Now, we can open up the Node shell by simply typing in the command node, and in here we can go with some basic Node commands such as console.log, and we can print out hello world and then hit enter. So as you can see, it prints out hello world to our terminal. Now we can exit from this shell by simply pressing Ctrl+C and Ctrl+C once more. Now we are going to show you how you can set up a basic Nodejs Web Server. So we are simply going to create a new directory and we're going to call it node_demo, and then we're going to cd inside this directory. So cd node_demo, and in here we're going to create a new index.js file. So for that, we're going to type in the command sudo nano index.js, and in this file we're going to copy commands from this page, which is the official Nodejs website, and the command is to actually create a basic hello world HTTP server. So copy the commands and paste it inside the command prompt. By the way, the link to this official website from Node.js would be in the description box as well. So coming back to our SSH terminal, press Ctrl+O, hit enter and then Ctrl+X. Now all there is left to do is to actually run this index.js file. So type in the command node index.js and then hit enter. Now as you can see that the server is running at port number 3000. Now if you want to get the result from this web server, simply head back to Azure, and from here go back one step, copy your public IP address, paste it inside a new tab, and then add the port number 3000, because this web server was running on port number 3000. So we get our result hello world. So that also brings us to the end of this video. Now if you have any queries regarding this tutorial, make sure to leave that query in the comment section down below. And make sure to check out the link in the description box for the marketplace listing for Node.js Server on Azure, and also for the step-by-step blog post guide on how to set up Node.js Server. And finally, if this video has helped you in any way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.